In this video will be shown how to proper set up a DMLS connection to NEC dect devices. DMLS stands for Dect Messaging and Localization Service and is responsible to send messages to NEC dect and also to receive events or alarms from the dect devices. To set up the connection to the DMLS, start in the new voice setup wizard. On the left side choose Interface Settings. In the middle there are three drop-down menu to find. Select here in the drop-down menu the interface, NEC DMLS. On the right side the IP address from the DMLS needs to be defined. When done, click on Apply and confirm your settings by pressing the OK button. Now open up the new voice line monitor. In the left top corner select System and click on Auto Start. In the Auto Start now the NVADMS.X should be added by the new voice setup wizard. Start the interface by selecting the NVADMS.X and click at the right side on Start. Open up the new voice interface monitor. The NVADMS should be shown now as interface. Start the configuration of the interface by a double click on the entry in the monitor. After a click on the button in the file, the configuration file of this DMLS interface opens up for configuration. In the section Config, the basic configuration of the interface is given, like the IP of the DMS, the name of the remote system, the port of the DMS or the DAP controller. With the parameter sender number of MobiCall system, the number which MobiCall is using to register on the DMS can be changed, 999 by default. This can be useful if multiple DMLS are running on one system. In the section Incoming can be defined what the phone needs to send and to which number to reach the MobiCall. With number of MobiCall system, the number what the phone needs to send a message to is defined. With the keywords below is defined what the phone must send as message for different events, like man down, emergency call, shock alarm, etc. Much more options are available in the INI file. Contact NEC if more information is needed. After the necessary parameter and the INI file are changed, switch to the Auto Start settings and restart the NVADMS.X. In the interface monitor, the DMLS interface should be shown green, if so it is connected and registered on the DMS controller. If it is shown in red, check the network if the connection is possible. If help is needed, contact NEC support. To test if the interface is working, open up the new voice personnel editor and add a new person. On first entry for type, choose the type DMS, for sending messages to NEC dect devices. Define the number right beside and press Save. Add this person to the group test alarm and launch the alarm 9989 to see if the message is coming to the device. If so, you properly set up your connection from MobiCall to the DMLS interface. To send messages to NEC dect devices, the persons and numbers must be defined. For this, start in the new voice personnel editor and add a new person. Give a name to the person and select the type DMS for sending messages. Right beside enter the number of the device. Now assign the person to a group and click on Create Database to save your changes. Now add the group to an alarm. In case of this alarm gets triggered, MobiCall will send the message to the in the group given DMS devices. Several options for sending the message can be defined. Open up the alarm configuration by double-clicking into the alarm, or right-click and select Edit Alarm Settings. Head to the Settings tab, Rings and Priority, and click on Ring Pattern Settings. Since the DMLS interface is active, the button DMLS is available in the menu here. Within this menu, several options for the message that is sent can be defined, like with the first drop-down menu can be the ringtone changed, also it can be set if a confirmation is needed or not. Normal ringtone is without confirmation, urgent and very urgent are with confirmation. With the next drop-down menu the ring volume can be changed, default is 6 what is already the highest volume. With the drop-down menu ring melody, the melody on receiving a message can be changed. With the drop-down menu display color, the color in which the message is shown can be defined. Click OK after settings are done to save. Launch the alarm to test your current made settings.